Hi, in this video I will discuss my very odd as well as interesting experience with cooking traditional Slovene barley stew named Ričet. If you want to pronounce correctly this word, you have to use rolled R, for example, like ancient Irish pirates. Orr. So, when I started to prepare the stew, I found between seeds of barley a little tiny stone of pure flint. A little tiny flinty stone which is very uncommon because I used a barley which was produced by one of the best Slovene food tech companies, Mlinotest, and it's very interesting and really uncommon that this company had a leak of control of physical hazards during technological procedures. And I've made two major conclusions. First, also the best companies and the best people can make mistakes, and the last, when you will prepare barley stew or any other dish or meal of barley, you have to take a look between seeds for any pieces of dirt or stones, because if you if you eat stone or any other similar dirt with food, you could break your teeth or have any other severe problems with digestive system. At the end, take care of yourself and don't become a Flintstone. Have a nice time. Bye.